Okay, so today I'm going to teach you guys how to torture your dogs. So, in this room right here is my dogs. And right here is my vacuum cleaner. So let's see how this goes down. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. That's what he said. No. Hello, my puppies. Yes, you see vacuum, don't you? There comes the vacuum cleaner. No. Aha. You're not leaving. No! He's trying to escape. There. For flavor. We still have one more dog. Yes. We go this way for the doggy. He'll be tortured. Look at her. Look at that face. Okay. Now we do something very evil, but I have to finish vacuuming room. So let me hurry up and do this. I will keep camera focused on the dog named Pebbles. Sorry for the vacuum noise, can't really help that. Go around. That, okay. Vacuum here. Okay, now we do evil this. The door is closed. And the dog, this dog right here, is coming with me. Come here, Pebbles. There we go. Right? Just like that. Now we do this. And we put her in. No! Man. Sorry, that was my finger. Okay, well, this has been the first episode of How to Torture... My thumb again. This is the first episode of How to Torture Your Doggies. Stay tuned next week, or in 2 weeks, or tomorrow, or something, for the next one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.